welcome back in Sant'Agata Bolognese. As always, I'm here to spot some interesting Lambos. Yes, that was a Revuelto starting up, and I also think we might have the first Lambo of the day, so without any further ado, let's begin. Okay, interesting spec on the Urus here. Very well, wish me luck guys! And also take a closer look at the beautiful ducks. So cute! Oh wait! Verde turbine Revuelto! With the orange calipers, the orange dreamline here on the side skirts, and of course more orange details here at the back. Another Urus SE with the beautiful matte black paint job and the green calipers. Yeah, very quiet, but I also think we might have an hybrid V12 here. So surely a Revuelto. Oh wait! Very well, this is now a Urus SE combo, but I'm still waiting for the Revuelto. Come on, where is it? Oh! Yeah, Verde Scandal calipers on the black Revuelto. Good choice. White hybrid Urus with the red details. Okay. And then we should have, yes, another one. An orange SE. Okay, what do we... Ooh, okay, another camouflage one. I think we've already seen this one the last time I was here in Sant'Agata, but could that be some kind of Urus SE Performante prototype? Maybe, I honestly don't know. Ooh. That was the sound of a Temerario. Oh, beautiful, beautiful spec. Oh my God, was that Blu Hal on the Urus SE? Oh, I've never ever seen anything like that. That was so damn good. Ooh, that's an hybrid one. Black roof over the white body. Yeah, okay, black and white Urus SE. Ah, okay. Oh, no way! The ducks are out of the water for some reason. Come on, give us something good. Oh. Finally! That was a loud one! Beautiful Revuelto though! Matte black with black wheels, everything black! Can you hear it? It's still driving away! Oh my God! Another orange Urus SE! but with the bronze wheels. Check it out. That is an interesting combo. Yeah, can confirm, interesting indeed. Ah, guys, extremely slow day up until now. I don't know, let's hope for something better. Oh, yes, it's a Temerario! Oh, come on, finally a Temerario, the first one for the day. And I had to wait like 3 hours to see this damn car. Oh my god. At least it was a bold spec with matching calipers. Oh my god, once again! Another Blu Hal Lamborghini, how crazy is that? Like guys, in case you don't already know it, that's one of the most expensive paint jobs you could ever get on a Lamborghini. Yeah, it's around 75 grand, just for the paint job, plus all the other options, the carbon fiber and the car of course. Yeah, that's quite a lot. Oh, this must be the black one, the matte black one. Or matte grey, yeah. Wow, very menacing one with the green calipers. Guys, take a listen, I think we might have a very loud one. And that could very well be a Revuelto. Yeah, unfortunately it was much louder when it was here, starting up and getting out from the gates. Oh, it's the camouflaged prototype, yes! This is an interesting close-up for sure. Okay, that is definitely a great catch. Maybe the best one for today, yeah. Wait a moment, that could be the Blu Hal Revuelto. Wow, the Blu Hal really looks great under the sun, right? What a stunning color! No, another Urus! Come on, a black one with the green calipers. Nah, we need something more special at least. Oh my god, it's the Blu Hal Urus SE! This is really something else. So, what do we have? Okay, loud black Urus SE with the green calipers. See, it's very loud. Guys, I think we might have a Lambo somewhere there. Yes! this for a combo? The matte black Revuelto and the orange Urus SE with the bronze wheels. That looks like another Urus SE. Oh, bold spec! Okay, I like it. Matching calipers over the black wheels and the green body. Not that bad, honestly. And guys, with that said, I've been wasting way too much time here in Sant'Agata. I've been here more than 5 hours just to spot a bunch of boring Urus. And a couple Revueltos, yeah, of course. And the Urus SE Performante prototype, yeah, but apart from that, nothing too special, to be honest. So, with that said, I hope you enjoyed today's video here in Sant'Agata Bolognese and see you guys in a few days.